Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: Azion Edge Function and its powerful image processing capabilities. Azion Edge Function, combined with Saffe's Liveness Detection capabilities, offers a powerful solution for real-time image processing at the edge. By leveraging the speed and security of Azion's platform, you can enhance the performance and reliability of your applications. Let's dive right in. After logging into the RTM, navigate to the Products menu and select Marketplace. Choose the Liveness Detection solution and click the Install button. Now, let's explore an application with Liveness Detection. Head to the Products menu, go to the Edge Library section, and select Edge Functions. From the list of functions, choose Face Detection. On the Functions page, you can review the configurations. In the Code bar, there is a code editor for Edge Functions. The Arguments tab allows you to configure and store JSON structures. Next, return to the Products menu and select Edge Applications to examine an application using Liveness Detection. On the Functions tab, you can view your function and its configurations. To witness the system in action, click on Domains in the Products menu and select the domains. When you install an integration from the Marketplace for Liveness Detection, the template generates a new Edge application and its Azion domain. Copy the domain, open it in a new browser tab. Now, you have a biometric authentication system with facial recognition designed to prevent spoofing attempts using photographs or videos. And there you have it. With Azion Edge Function and Saffe, you can seamlessly integrate Liveness Detection into your applications, providing an extra layer of security and preventing fraudulent activities. If you're interested in learning more about Azion Edge Function and how it can benefit your business, be sure to check out the documentation and resources provided by Azion. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on edge computing and innovative technologies. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned and move to the edge.